lovely and nice. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Today we're going to show you how you can boil off a corn. Some people call it corn on the cob. In Jamaica we don't call it corn. Some people call it sweet corn. All kind of name they do call it. But right here I have one corn, which I'm going to show you how to cook off a corn at home. Basically, corn you can get it at local shop or the market, or some supermarket do sell it. This is the way it come when I brought it from the supermarket. It was like this. Sometimes some people cut it into half and cook it, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to cook it all like this. Corn is normally coming to a shell. You have to remove the shell and remove some of the ear off of it and all these things. Just right here, as you can see, there's few bits of ear just like this. So guys, as you can see, we're going to show you how you can cook your corn at home when you buy corn and serve it with a little bit of honey. And so let's move to the next level, guys. Nice and lovely. For health and safety, you know, the water is boiling up at the moment, as you can see. Just be careful. Make sure your water starts to boil. Then next, add your corn just like this in the water. Let it go, or you can use a tongue and simple hold it and put it down. So basically, we're not going to put any salt in the water. Make sure the water cover the corn. As you can see, this might need a little bit more water. So I'll just add a little bit of water from a kettle to it like this. Alright? So as you can see, exactly. So as soon as the corn starts boil, it will shrink and cover with the water. So we're going to boil this for roughly about 12 minutes. And then we're going to look at it. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So now the corn is finished. I make it overcooking too much, but that's fine, you know what I mean? But I'm now gonna just simply take it out and make you guys see exactly what's going on. Turn off my stove. But basically, as you can see, how the corn looking so lovely and nice. That's the corn right here. So we're gonna simply take it out and simply put it down just like this. So guys, as I can see, that exactly the corn looking lovely. There's a few seeds on it which look a little weird funny, but I look at that. Basically, as you can see, the corn looking lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply serve it with some honey, and we'll just put a little bit of honey like this on top of it. Alright. So basically, as you can see, it's two things. You can use either sweet chili sauce or honey to serve with your corn, and it's just beautiful and nice. If you want to give it a try, you can give it a try and you can tell me the result what you get from that. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team.